Welcome to the Borland Climb. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fix Roblox VNG. First, let's start with some essential initial checks. A stable internet connection is crucial, so confirm your Wi-Fi or data is strong. Next, make sure both your Roblox and VNG applications are fully updated. Outdated versions often cause issues. Finally, a simple restart of your device can resolve many common software conflicts and temporary glitches, getting you back to gaming smoothly. If the initial steps didn't work, let's move on to common software solutions. Clearing the cache and data for both Roblox and VNG can often resolve corrupted file issues. If that doesn't help, a complete reinstallation of both applications is the next best step. Also, ensure your device has at least 2 GB of free storage, as insufficient space can lead to performance problems and crashes. Sometimes, network or security settings can interfere with Roblox VNG. Try temporarily disabling your firewall or antivirus to see if they are blocking the connection. Configuring your router to use a public DNS server, such as Google DNS at 8.8.8.8, can improve connectivity. Additionally, if you suspect regional restrictions, using a virtual private network might help bypass them and establish a stable connection. For persistent problems, advanced troubleshooting is necessary. Perform a full system scan for malware, as malicious software can severely impact game performance. Ensure your operating system and graphics drivers are completely up to date. Outdated drivers are a common cause of instability. If all else fails, gather detailed information about your issue and reach out to the official support teams for both Roblox and VNG for personalized assistance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.